Using ERP Integrator, organizations can efficiently migrate or synchronize data from desktop-based applications to ERP systems, improving operational continuity and reducing manual processes. With ERP Integrator, effortlessly transfer key data as products, bills of materials, products attributes, previews, attachments, and routings into Dynamic 365, all with minimal manual effort. The grid reflects data processed via ERP Integrator, including products and bills of materials imported from the Inventor. As part of the process, I first check whether the products and BOMs exist in ERP. Since they are not available, they are ready for upload. Data is transferred to the ERP system by clicking the Upload up arrow button. The process is completed. Now, we will check the products and bill of materials in the ERP system. Here you can see the preview, product attributes, PDFs, attachments and SharePoint URLs that have been transferred to ERP system using ERP Integrator. Bill materials and versions are also created in the ERP system. This is how our ERP Integrator functions. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.